Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today is a beautiful spring day out here, and I thought that I would take you guys along for an adventure hike that my family and I went on. So let's get started on that.
All the basic stuff.
I think we're gonna have to go. And then there's a little tiny river right here.
Oh yeah?
Oh, look at that. Ooh, this is pretty awesome.
It's got a bridge and a little.
Oh, cool.
It's got a bridge.
Oh, this is perfect with a nice little pond
In
for
the summer when it's nice and warm, you guys could wade down into that.
Well,
Get your feet wet.
this might be where, you know,
There's a tree goes straight across, right?
ducks have their younglings. Nature at its finest.
Wow, that's a little.
And it looks like it could be a wild black raspberry bush right there. Nice. Spring at its finest. Oh, the way the moss grows on this tree is so cool.
Oh, that's super cool. Don't fall into this. It is?
Well, nobody planned on falling into it.
That's kind of the hope, is that you wouldn't.
Hey, Mom.
So the river flows from both points, huh? That's all it wraps around this. Oh no, it floods into there. Okay, so it's a river all the way down. I see. Are you guys going across or no?
Yeah, I'm trying to stand up.
Careful.
Please, Mom.
Drake, wait for your brother. Dude, relax. Don't freak out about it, otherwise you will have a problem.
That was a close one. That's videotaping you.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm videotaping nature.
You're almost there.
Go fast, go fast, go fast. Go, 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 go. Or don't. Jump off. There you go.
You were videotaping me. How dare you?
How dare you?
Oh my god, that was one of the scariest things I've done.
That's what you asked for, right? Oh, look at that growing out of the side of the...
Oh, we can go slightly across here.
Very cool.
Over there and onto that log. I'm going to go onto that log.
No, you're not. Come on, let's go. Did you find something?
No, I just almost fell.
Ah. Fungus. Oh. Oh yeah, it's collecting. That's a perfect collection spot for all the I don't know, I can't think of the word. But it's basically, this log is skimming the surface and keeping the water clear for the rest. Nature's skimmer.
You're going to fall into the water.
I'm going to go across this log.
No, come on, let's keep going. Although we definitely lost our trail, I'm pretty sure it was that way. What?
There's a bridge over there.
Yeah, that's why I think it curved that way and we were supposed to go over that bridge.
Go across this log.
No, go across this way. Come on, let's go. We're totally off trail like you guys wanted.
We can go up there. Up on that log.
Now that log is broken.
It's a broken
That's fine.
tree.
Ooh, check out this rock, Xander. Whoa! Look at that rock. Looks like a burnt piece of wood, but it's actually a rock. How cool is that?
I want it. May keep it?
I don't know what it is.
It's a...
I don't think we're allowed to keep anything at this park. It's not our park. We got a lot of walking to do. You gonna carry this the whole time?
Yes.
Alright. I don't know what kind of rock that is.
I'm gonna name it Georgie.
You're gonna name the rock. No promises. Oh, look at the moss growing on there. We've run into a snag, huh? Looks like it goes all the way up, and it's an actual fence, not just a wire, huh? Alright. Do you think you can make it across this log to the other side?
Mom first, huh?
Look, jump down to that gravel right there on the right. Get your bearings. And then you just have to step there, jump across to that gravel. Come on, you guys got this. Drake, walk fast, jump down to that gravel on the right. Okay? Go, go, go!
It has horns on it.
It has horns on it.
Thorns on it. Thorns. Jump.
Okay.
Alright, Xander, you're next.
So Drake, you're going to step across this log and jump over to there. Okay?
Get back on the big log. Where's the little one?
I think this is a beaver dam.
Well,
It's close.
they might have.
So, face,
Well, it's very low water, so it's okay.
water.
It would be okay.
I mean, there's actually no fence right here, dear. We could have walked right underneath that. All right. Dun, 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 dun.
Is the master going to make it across?
I don't know. Is Mama going to make it? She's the master.
I was talking about you, Dad.
You guys want to look at the stones at all?
Yeah?
Oh, no.
We need some new stones for the new aquarium. We should pick some out.
Jump over to the other side of that little river area and look at the stones.
Drake, I need some for the
This is
new aquarium. Pick some good ones. I don't know how we're going to carry them, though.
cooler. Side pocket.
Yeah, probably. Yeah,
That'd be like
which is why they're hiding. Look at them, they're actually hiding underneath there. There's a bunch of them, longer ones right there, actually.
Oh yeah, you see them right
If I can see them.
there.
Yeah, there's more of them right there. Well, that's a water bug, which is really cool too. But yeah, I can't barely see these guys on the camera. It's not coming through.
It's hard to see them, period, really.
Let's see if I can get a better angle.
Are you
They're hiding.
recording, Dad?
Yeah, they're hiding right underneath there.
Yeah, they're hiding. They're hiding in like all the muck in the
Oh,
water,
look how
so
big
he
those guys are.
slices. Oh wow, that guy's really big. He's like the leader.
Whoa.
Some of those are huge.
This is the best part of nature. When it's starting to take back over the trail. Take back over the man-made stuff. How cool.
Are we allowed to walk in?
Years of erosion.
It won't
Real
go
stone
past our shoes.
underneath the earth.
Can we walk underneath it since it won't go past our shoes?
It would definitely soak your shoes. What are you talking about?
Your feet are definitely going to get wet.
You don't want to walk
Up
around.
over your feet, dude.
I'm
Yeah.
not going in.
If you want to take your socks and shoes off, you can, but your feet are going to be really cold.
Yeah, I don't think I would recommend that. Look at the roots just reaching for the water. How cool is that?
I'm gonna climb the roots and go up.
Well, if you're going to do that, just walk across the log. But I'm sure we'll be over there in a second. I don't know where the trail went.
I don't either, but it doesn't look like that trail's very safe.
Right? I feel like that's coming down from the top there.
What do you mean it doesn't look safe?
Well, that stuff is going into, like, the roots that are coming out.
Hmm.
Doesn't exactly look...
Look at the ferns. Wow. How cool. Definitely in the woods now. It almost looks like a strawberry right there. I don't think it is, but it almost looks like one. Are we going this way?
I don't know which way are we going.
This looks like a trailish. Haven't found the trail. It's okay. Look at how cool the moss grows on the top of this. This is an actual living tree with moss growing on it. That's cool. We're in the nature.
Just like I can never get to the time that happened. The time we talked about it.
Sunburn? You're like in the shadiest forest. How are you getting sunburn?
Just like that, we're back on the trail.
What a perfect spot. Right in there, right?
We found this like rainbow-like bridge, almost like Bigfoot created it. Zan, didn't you say something about mushrooms? Yes. So explain what. There are a bunch of mushrooms growing on this. Are there any other spots for mushrooms? Common nature made these mushrooms grow on this nice rainbow. Yeah. We think that Bigfoot made this as a present to a leprechaun. He might have planted it in the water, or over time, it's got sunk so low into the water, it's like it's as sturdy as the log itself. So that is all on the rainbow arc.
Just listen.
Hey, Dad.
Just listen.
Babbling brook. Wedges we've seen, and they're just amazing.
I agree, buddy.
That tiny little root
Uh-huh.
comes out of that tree.
Uh-huh. Makes that big old tree right there?
Yeah.
Wow. So that's a cool way for a tree to grow, huh? Nature always finds a way. You remember that.
This guys right here is the most amazing nature trail I've ever seen.
I'm gonna stop doing YouTube videos and just let Drake do them.
Just do nature videos.
Just
let Drake talk in the background of your nature videos.
Right?
And
He's got this.
And so my dad later will link the place to the nature where he will tell you where the nature trail is later, and
Oh, you want me to
suggest you
tell
come
people
here.
where this is? This is totally top secret.
No way it's top secret. We don't even know where we are anymore. We're that deep into the woods. Right now we're climbing stairs up to yet another trail that they have. Together they're supposed to be 3 miles, but I'm beginning to think this is going somewhere because this is not a trail.
This is not a trail.
He doesn't have a flower. Look, guys, there is a bunch of this red and green moss. It is so cool. In fact, we found a Bigfoot sign. We think it may actually be him scratching at the tree to make it look thinner and make it look and file his nails. Does Drake have anything, or host Drake have anything to do? Yes. I think my theory is that that tree we saw back there it looked like someone had scratched it off. So I was thinking, hey, Bigfoot might be human, so all people's nails grow, right? And so he obviously doesn't have nail clippers out here or a nail file. So why wouldn't he just scratch it on a tree, right? So that is my theory.
As you can see, we're back home now. We had an absolute blast. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Something a little bit different. Really enjoying spring. I'm about to go in the greenhouse and really check things out. Get things started going in there hopefully soon. But wanted to bring you guys along for an adventure with my family. And if you guys enjoyed that video, please feel free to share it out. Give it a like. And if you guys haven't already, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell for some additional content in the future. As always, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Stay safe and enjoy your gardens. Thank you.